Hey guys, I'd like to show off my apprentices today, and it's been a wild year for my apprentices so far. We've covered all manners of fundamentals together, from exploring narratives and character design and advancing mileage through basic forms. My apprentices come from all levels of skill, and all levels are still welcome. And my apprentices have been amazing, to say the least. They rise to every occasion, every challenge, and lately I have been assigning some really thorough, difficult character design splashes for them. Some of the challenges you see in the public community, my apprentices have already been assigned. They've already taken those challenges on. From the villain design challenge to the luminescent humanoid elemental you see on the community today. Over the past year and this year we have covered gestures, anatomy and kinetic movement and animation, environments and cinematic framing, expression sheets and storytelling through portraiture, character design, lineups, and shape language, designing and illustrating for book covers, maximizing design for standing character designs by combining gesture, portraiture, and costume, creature design through scale and understanding scale and creating space, learning how to research and blueprint, color language, and so much more. If you'd like to join us on this amazing journey, find me on Patreon and join as an apprentice to be part of our apprentice family. You get an assignment a month. I give you a pressure-free space to explore each assignment to your leisure and discuss it with your peers. I do pop in, of course, to check in on progress, and that's as much pressure as you should expect, because respecting deadlines is also important. Learning how to meet deadlines and organize stages of workflow in the allotted time between assignment due dates is really important, and that's something I thoroughly encourage. If you're not ready for full-scale illustrations, that's okay. As I said, the class is not as intensive. You can always try the alternative technical homework assignments that I offer, which range from complex to simple form studies, complex to simple anatomy studies. And I offer this for the apprentices who feel they're not ready for illustrations. They all involve grayscale breakdowns of form to understand fundamentals and approach them in a more sandbox environment that encourages growth and advances real mileage through the power of form studies. Other things to expect as an apprentice: all my monthly personal work, everything that I create, layers included, my brushes new and standard, and a commentary time-lapse video journal of my latest work and thoughts. I'd like to thank my patrons for joining me in creating this beautiful work over these years. All my watchers, pupils, initiates, and apprentices, you guys are amazing. And it doesn't matter if the contribution is numerically small. Together, you've enriched my teaching experience and you've supported my community directly. Thank you all for watching over this community, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in class. Bye.